Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Let's Learn with MG, Stories, Poem Learning Magic. Children, have you ever looked at a globe or a world map and wondered why some places have tall mountains, some have deep valleys, and others are surrounded by water? Well, today we're going to explore the physical features of our wonderful world. Did you know? About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, like oceans, seas, and rivers. And the remaining 29% is land, the places where we live, farm, and travel. This land is not the same everywhere. It can be high, low, flat, or uneven. And this gives us different landforms, like mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, and deserts. Mountains, tall and majestic. Mountains are landforms that rise high above the land around them. They have a broad base, a summit, and sometimes a snowy peak. Mountains are home to many animals, plants, and even special herbs. The Himalayas in Asia is the world's tallest mountain range. And the highest peak is Mount Everest. But wait, why do we find it hard to breathe when we go higher up a mountain? That's because the amount of oxygen decreases as we go up. That's why mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders. Valleys, nature's green bowl. Islands and peninsulas. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Examples include Sri Lanka and Majalai in Assam. A group of islands is called an archipelago, like the Lakshadweep Islands. A peninsula is a land surrounded by water on three sides and connected to land on one side. The Deccan Peninsula in India is surrounded by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. A valley is a low area of land between mountains or hills. Most valleys have rivers or streams flowing through them. Since they have fresh water and fertile soil, people have lived in valleys since ancient times. Special houses for different landforms. Different landforms and climates need different kinds of houses to keep people safe and comfortable. Let's explore some. Houses in plains. Ranch-style houses, single-storied with big windows for fresh air. Bungalows, large, airy, and cool. Stilt houses, built on wooden poles to protect from floods. Houses in hills. Chalets, wooden houses with sloping roofs to let snow slide off. Terraced houses, built stepwise on slopes. A-frame houses, strong and stable for snowy places. Houses in cold areas. Igloos, dome-shaped snow houses that trap warmth inside. Log cabins, cozy homes made of thick wooden logs. People build houses smartly to stay warm in the cold, cool in the heat, and safe from rain or floods. Clever, right? Adobe houses, made of sun-dried bricks that keep the home cool. Migration, moving from place to place. When people move from one place to another, it's called migration. Migration can be temporary or permanent. People migrate for many reasons like higher studies, better job opportunities, government projects, natural disasters or wars, seasonal farming. Even animals migrate. For example, the Arctic tern flies from the North Pole to the South Pole every year. Impact of migration. Migration can be exciting but also challenging. Families may have to leave loved ones, adjust to new places, schools, languages, and cultures. But migration can also bring new opportunities, better jobs, education, medical care, and learning new cultures. Our Earth is full of amazing landforms and diverse ways of living. From snowy mountains to warm islands, from chalets to igloos, every place has its own story. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wondering.